Okay, in this vid what I'm going to do is create a couple of towels and put them over a little towel bar next to the shower. And so I've got the bathroom set layer highlighted, and I'm going to get in here and I'm going to steal that bar from this vanity light right here. Okay, so first I got to open this group and I have to select everything that I want out of it. And when I have that, I'll just shift drag out a copy. And then I will detach it and I will close this group. Okay, I'll go into this view here, take this over and kind of bring it over, like center it up with the toilet just a little bit, something like that. Alright, and then I'm going to take these vertices and just make it a little bit longer, like that. And take this middle part, make sure that's on there, and it is. Alright, we have that. Then I'm going to take these ends and actually create something so it can be stuck to the wall. And I'll take these right here and just kind of move them like so. Kind of move them in here. Go into this view and make sure, actually I'm going to slide them out a little bit like this. And I'm going to unhide the wall. Okay, so that's in the wall like that. Alright, now to see what I'm going to do, I'm going to hide all of this. Hide selection, hide this, focus on this. Then I'm going to unhide my wall again so I can see what I'm doing here. Alright, we'll select all of this right here and just bring it out like that. Alright, I'm going to hide the wall. Alright, and there's my towel rack, or bar, whatever you want to call it. And now to make a towel go over the top of this, and I think the easiest way to do that right now would be to just take a standard box. I'm going to draw out the length of the towel. Something about like that, I think. Give it a little bit of a height. Alright, something like that. Make sure that we put it up here, just above it, just above the bar. Slide it over some. I'm going to give it about 4 segments this way, and let's see, width segments I'm going to say we're going to do just like that, 4, 3, and 1, and take the height down because towels are not that thick. Right click it and convert it to an editable poly. We'll call it towel. Okay, and then actually let me give it that gray material. I'm going to select all of these polygons that are down here, just like that, and I am going to extrude them. I extrude them down like so. I'm actually going to bring it up to about right here and then do it again. And then go down with it like that. Alright, so we have the towels hanging like that. Long towels. And click OK. And then with just these selected right here, I'm just going to make those up. Let me hit Control Z. With those selected, I'm just going to go down a little bit like that. Make the back a little longer. Okay. And then I'm going to go through here. I'm going to do a connect. I'm just going to slide it down towards the bottom some, like so. Apply a turbo smooth to this. And you see that it kind of gives us a towel, but this little top up here kind of looks crazy. We can fix that easy enough. And what we can do is bring this. Just pull it up like that. Take this and see if we can loop that around. And hit loop. So like that. Kind of go into it a little more like that. Even if it penetrates, you can't really tell. I'm just looking at it from what we have. Like that. And that looks kind of like a towel. Just like that. That way we can put like fur on it or some kind of displacement map when we go to rendering it out in the end. So let's put an FFD modifier on here and kind of mess with these control points a little bit. I'm going to select these in the back here. Actually, I'm going to select these in the front. Kind of like move them in. Select all that. And then just move them this way. Give them like some shape. Just like that. Then we have that towel. Then we can drag one over to this side. Have two towels. And what I can do on this towel, if we don't want it to be the exact same, we can just bring it up a little bit. Kind of adjust it that way. Take those, pull this down some more. We click off that and it won't be the exact same. Hit F4, unhide all. No. And now we have some towels that are there. And if you think it's too small for that, you can scale it to whatever you want. You can make them wide tiles. You can put one big towel. So whatever makes you happy there. But I'm going to leave that for now. And any kind of changes I do will happen at a later time. Alright, so that concludes the towel vid.